Yeah, hi. I'm going to show how Demio and ZOHO work together and how when we are going to register into Demio for the webinar and how data is synced with the ZOHO. So let's see. This is the Demio and we have a ZOHO here. Okay, so we have some modules. Now this is the Demio register, so anything going to be registered in Demio, it will sync with ZOHO here. Now you can see these are the data, previous data. Now I'm going to create a new event in the Demio. So suppose this is the our cloud invest April 19. I'm going to create here one session, webinar session. So I'm going to schedule a session. Now this is 8 o'clock and we create this 7:18. We will create here webinar at 7:21 and it will go up to 8:21. Fine. This is the event creating. Now event is created. You can see session schedule. Now I am going to register. So you can see this is I am going to register. So quickly I am going to register from here. And 10-digit phone number. These are the two questions. We can add multiple question here. Now registration done. So we want to see here in the ZOHO. So you can see new data not came. So we have a feature. If we want to quickly see the data, we have to go into the our website. We have developed Demio Synch features. You can develop. You can see here. Otherwise, automatically it will sync in every 5 minutes. But we want to see quickly, less than 5 minutes as a demo for the demo. So we will click here Demio Synch. Once this will complete 100%, we can see in the ZOHO new registered webinar data. Okay, so we will go here and see again Demio register. Now coming to the Demio register, now you can see the Dinesh data came here, his email ID and data. Whatever he has, you can see the two question was there, those two question answer also came. Now we are going to start the webinar. So remaining data also we will show here in the ZOHO once webinar is started. So now we are going to start the webinar. So I will join the room here, joining, and we are going to open here host also, so we can start webinar. So I am here as a host. I will copy the link for the host one. I am going to here to open host. So we can post it here. You can see the robotology. So I once join, from here we can host the webinar. So I will start the session from here. Now I have started the session. Okay, now session is started. We will see here. Here we will join as a Dinesh. You can see that this is joined. Now I will ask some question. what is minimum investment amount? This is the question, and host can reply here. So I am taking as a question and I will reply here $2000. Okay, so I have replied it. Now this is the conversation, so any question asking, everything will be recorded in the Demio. So I am going to close now session, and we will see here how the questions, message, everything will sync with the Zoho. So now I am going to open here. This is the Demio, and I am going to be here to sync the data, because quickly I want to see. So I will sync the data. Once sync is finished, we can see the message here, and how many hours he has joined, minutes, and all other features are here. Those also we will explain here. One second. So I am coming to recent webinar. You can see Dinesh is there, and you can see the status, webinar register, investment history, and you can see here the messages, which question asked, what is the minimum investment. Dinesh has asked minimum investment amount, so this is also coming, and you can see the what time he has, how many minutes he was there, and when he joined, what time left. Then focus percentage, means he was concentrated when webinar was running. Okay, and all the other details also here. Okay, so these details are coming properly. So only one person was there. This is the Demio register, so complete data will be here. Dinesh, all the details, messages, what is the minimum invested. Okay, so this is the Demio register, which is all registered data. Every event registered data will be here, but this is the recent webinar, which is the last webinar finished. That data only, means those, if suppose 3% register, only 3 data will be here. So only last webinar data will be available in the recent webinar. And if you want to see complete register detail from a start, any event, so all event data will be here. So you can search anytime with the data, means if you want to see Dinesh details, so you can search from here. And even if you want to see the details of Dinesh, you can click here on the Dinesh, and you can see here his all the details. Okay, you can see here he registered one time, he sent a message. Okay, he has not done payment till now, so that also we will do it now. So this is the features which we have done with Demio and Zoho. So any details which is going to the Demio, everything will sync to your Zoho details. Okay, now coming to the payment details. So once this webinar is going on, they can pay also. So for the payment, we have done here features, like we have here details in our website. So this link, webinar time, we can send it to everyone, so they can pay whoever interested. So this is the link, webinar payment. Suppose I am going to pay for the Dinesh. Suppose I am a Dinesh and I am going to pay after webinar. So can see that his email ID should match. So dinesh@em.com. Okay, and we will do the payment here. Phone number I am writing. ABC website www.bc.com. Here we can select these questions, because these questions they can submit and then they can do the payment. So these are the details we are filling. Test and okay, so next. Okay, now we will pay $45. So pay now. Here we are using plate for the payment. Continue. Okay, so they are having a 2 account, so we are taking from this account and payment done. See, now payment is finished. So now we can again sync, because we need to get the data quickly in the ZOHO. So now I am going to sync. Okay, now I will come here and sync the details. So we can see in the in a ZOHO, these payment details also we can see in the ZOHO. I will come here and meanwhile we will check. You can see that $45 we have paid, payment date, and yeah, these two details will be here, and all other question which we have filled there. So you can see all the questions, answer, and all company website, incorporated, everything's here. Looking to raise everything, every details will be here also, it will display. Okay, so these all data is coming, and same thing will be here. Here only single data will be there, because only one person in the last event, and here complete whoever attended till now, so all the data. So from here Dinesh also we can see, and here we can see the payment is done, payment status, payment date, and amount, everything is here. So all the data will be here. Once we will click here, we can see the detail of his payment, detail of every how many times he registered. So one time he registered, one time he messaged, and his website payment also we can see. So if he will pay 2 times, 3 times, here it will show all the details. So this is our complete Demio and ZOHO sync. And another video I am going to create, which is related to explain our website. So next will be going to create another video for explaining this website. Thank you.